Next, Badr Iftikhar was to do it. Musanna, masculine and definite. Al-Hakimani. Al-Hakimani. Al-Hakimaini. Badr Umar Farooq will make it next. Masculine and Musanna, masculine and light. What is light? Dropping the N sound after the expression of I'rab. So where the I'rab has been expressed here. Here, I'rab was expressed with the last harakat of the last letter. So Dhamma, Fatha and Kasra was the expression of I'rab, but the second Dhamma and second Fatha and second Kasra was an additional N sound after the I'rab. There the N sound was due to the additional harakat. Here the N sound after the I'rab is due to a written N, noon. So just drop noon from the end. So what will be the form? No, without alif lam. Hakima, Hakimai and Hakimai. Hakimai. So now masculine plural. Masculine plural indefinite. Come on. Both ways is possible. First do it regular plural. Rafa, Nasab and Jar. Exactly. Hakimuna. Hakimuna. Hakimina. It is the sifat of the human beings, adjective or the attribute of human beings. So it can be irregular plural also, but normally this also is used in the broken form. But for the sake of practice, I am doing this. Hakimuna, Hakimina, Hakimina. Then definite, Mera.
Al-Hakimun.
Al-Hakimuna. Al-Hakimuna. Exactly. Right?
Al-Hakimina.
Al-Hakimina. Al-Hakimina. Then
And Al-Hakimina.
Al-Hakimina. Yes, drop the noon. So alif lam is also dropped.
So Hakimu.
Hakimu, exactly. Hakimu. Now whenever there is a masculine plural form ending at waw, sakin, you have to write an alif there, not to be pronounced. Hakimu, then
Hakimi.
Hakimi, very good.
Hakimi.
Hakimi. So then first of all is plural, masculine and indefinite. then is plural masculine and definite, then is plural masculine and light. So now we are coming to broken plural oblique singular feminine, broken plural oblique singular feminine. This is by meanings and this is by usage. And then first indefinite, then the same but definite, and then same light. So first of all, hookah ma, yes, it is ghair munsarif. Ooh. If you see in your notes, so one of the conditions in which an ism is ghair munsarif, this is this alif mamduda also. So not hukamaun, it is hukamau. Now carefully the next one. What is the definition of ghair munsarif? See the notes. Tell me with ainul yaqeen. First, see with your eyes, look into the notes, confirm it, and then tell me. Ghair munsarif. What is the definition of ghair munsarif? It is the response to the call of i'rab. Subheading, the last subheading of i'rab. Umaru, umara, umara, fir'aunu, fir'auna, fir'auna, hukama'u, hukama'a, hukama'a. That's very important. So this is ghair munsarif. So the jar form will also be indicated with the fatha of the last letter, single fatha of the last letter. Hukama'a, response of the call of i'rab. Partly cooperative nouns to the response to the i'rab, call of i'rab. Partly cooperative in the response to the call of i'rab. This will be the sentence. So number 2, Umair. Broken plural definite. Al-hukama'u. Al-hukama'a. Sometimes it happens when there is alif lam in the beginning, then kasra is acceptable to this word. So put a star here and have a footnote. When there is alif lam, then sometimes these ghair munsarif nouns do accept kasra also. So with alif lam, it is al-hukamai. So this is always already not having tanween, so we won't consider this. This is light also and heavy because you made a mistake that you said hukamai. The ghair munsarif noun does not accept tanween as well as kasra. So tanween was not there from the very beginning, but here you made a mistake. So I refer to the notes so that it becomes a practice and it becomes an auto suggestion for you, that it becomes engraved into your mind that this is ghair munsarif and it doesn't have to have kasra. Next is the feminine. So first feminine, singular, feminine and indefinite. The first sign is ta. You add ta to a masculine form, it becomes a feminine form, singular. So hakimatun. Yes. Hakimatun. And in the end, the chart, you have got the full chart of 18 forms In that also it's very clear that how to make it feminine. Just last pages.
Page 119.
Yes, page 119 you can see. So to make it feminine, what you have to do is, you have just to add a ta in the end, it will become the feminine form. So in Rafa it is hakimatun, indefinite, singular, feminine, indefinite is hakimatun. Then who said hakimatani? Hakimatan. Actually, from these are the tracks which police follows too. Hakimatun, hakimatan, and hakimatin. Exactly. Yes, brother. Now is singular, feminine, and definite. Who said this? Actually, you are harming him. When he makes a mistake and he himself rectifies the mistake, it will be of benefit to him. If you just speak for him, and he directly gets it, it's of no use for him. So don't be cruel to your neighbor. Yes, brother. Why al hakimatu? Don't say when it is definite. When it has got alif lam, it has nothing to do with the definite. Right? Abidun, when it is an adjective, it is indefinite. But when it is the name of a person, then it is definite, then it has a tanween. In both the cases, Hamidun, Abidun has a tanween. But when it is an adjective, used as adjective, it is indefinite. But when it is the name of a particular person, then it is definite. So you won't say, no, the conclusion is the same, that with the addition of alif lam it became definite. But to be definite is not the reason to drop tanween. The reason to drop tanween is alif lam. Right? So with the addition of alif lam there has to be no tanween. So this is al hakimatu, al hakimata, Badr Rahman, singular, feminine, and light. Good. Hakimatu, hakimata, hakimati. This should be al-hakimati. So what's the form? Who is the volunteer? MashaAllah, excellent. Hakimatani, Musanna, feminine, indefinite. Hakimatani in Rafa form. In Nasab form, Hakimataini. Excellent. Same in the jar form, Hakimataini. Hakimataini. Brother Imranullah, Musanna, feminine, and indefinite. Sorry, definite. al-hakimatani al-hakimataini al-hakimatain. Then what will be the next? Musanna, feminine and light. Athar. Then it's your turn. You make mistake. And then so there's turn of somebody else. You speak up. But Hakimata. Yes. No. Hakimatai. Hakimatai and hakimatai. Hakimatun.
حكيمات and حكيمات
Hakimatin.
الذين آمنوا وتطمئن قلوبهم بذكر الله